This time we talked about inoculation season, preparation, and inoculation. It may have been difficult for beginners to understand, but when you actually try it, you will understand, I see, this is what they say. So please refer to it. Let's review. The inoculation basically should be done from January to March. Early inoculation is good, but late inoculation in April or May may result in inadequate mycelium surroundings. As for the preparation, choose the log species, spawn types, sealants, and druid that suits your favorite shiitake mushrooms. We explained that if the logs are dry, it should be soaked a week ago, and the sawdust spawn should be taken out of the bottle and destroyed in advance. In the Okuda style inoculation, we explained that we would make 60 holes in staggered pattern, but I also told you that the condition can be changed as you like. We also explained about the inoculation tools, so if you are interested in them, please take a look at the website from the description below. For other inoculation, the thimble spawn needs drilling with a 12.7mm drill bit, and you can insert the spawn by your hand. Melt the beeswax in electric pan set at 130 degrees Celsius and apply it to the spawn with the applicator. For DOVA spawn, you may make holes with an 8mm drill bit or hammer to punch. Useful items for inoculation were fixed bar, chopper and small chainsaw, slide stand, and air duster. Those are essential items for efficient inoculation. Finally, as for the management situation after inoculation, if you keep these 4 things, no wind, lower temperature, enough oxygen, and darkness, you can reproduce the burn and get off to the great start. We have explained in a hurry from the inoculation season to the management after inoculation. It's a bit specific and difficult, so if you have any ambiguities, please look back over and over again. We will continue to provide videos that will give you the opportunity to enrich your life by growing shiitake mushrooms. Thank you for watching and your precious time. See you next time!